In Python, we can define functions with def keyword, but there are different functions that are called anonymous functions, and one of these functions is lambda function. So to define a lambda function, we use lambda keyword. After using this lambda keyword, then we use the argument name, and then we use a colon, and lastly we define the expression. So there can be one more argument in a lambda function, but we can use only one expression in a Python lambda function. To understand Python lambda function better, let's do examples and learn what are these arguments and expression used in Python lambda function. So here, firstly, I'll create a lambda function and I will use y. Here y is an argument, and I'll write an expression here, y multiplied 2, and this is our expression, and this is our argument. So here I'll print x, and here I will use 3, and as an argument we will use 3 here, so our result will be 6. So think about this. Here we will use 3, and 3 multiplied 2 is 6. So here our result will be changed according to the given value, and here we have given 3 to this lambda function. So let's do another example for this, and I will use this time another lambda function and lambda, and our argument will be a and b. As you remembered, as I mentioned before, there can be one more arguments in a lambda function, so here I will use 2 arguments in lambda function and a colon here, and then I will use our expression a multiply a, and then minus b multiply b. So according to the math calculation, this will be done firstly, and then this will be done secondly, and after that this subtraction will be done. So here let's print, and we'll use 2 arguments here. I will give 4 and 3 as arguments, and here 4 will be used instead of a and 3 will be used instead of b. So the result will be 7. Think about this. 4 multiply 4 is 16, and 3 multiply 3 is 9, and when we minus 9 from 16, the result is 7. And this is our second example. Python lambda function can be used with higher order functions also, and these functions takes other functions as arguments. So what are these functions? What are these higher order functions? These are filter and map functions. So here I will show you how to use Python lambda function with these higher order functions. So to do this, let's firstly start with filter function, and Python filter function is a function that takes a lambda function as an argument with also another argument. So here I will show you an example. So let's create list 1, and I will write 7, 20, 4, 50, 3, 2, and 8, and this is our list 1. And let's write list 2, and list 2 will include a lambda function with filter. So here I will use filter and lambda. Here x is our argument, and I'll write an expression here, x 2, here I am checking the members of list 1 if they can be divided by 2, and then I will assign it to list 2. I will find the even numbers here and I will assign these to the list 2. So again I will give list 1 as argument, as second argument. The first argument is lambda and the second argument is list 1. And here let's print list 2. And yes, as you can see here, we have checked list 1 with lambda function. We can see the even numbers in this list, and we have assigned these even numbers to list 2, and we print list 2, and as you can see here, 12, 4, 2 and 8 are the even numbers in this list 1. So this is how to use Python with higher order functions. One of the higher order function, Python filter function, and we can do another example here. For example, let's write the same thing again, and then list 2, filter lambda x and here we are checking this list again, and we will assign the members of this list that are higher than 5 to list 2. So here let's print list 2, and as you can see here, all the numbers in this list that are higher than 5 are assigned to list 2, and we do this with the help of Python Lambda function and Python filter function. We have used these two functions together. So now let's go to another function that we use Lambda function with, and this is Python map function. So the result of this function will be different, so let's do the same example for it and see the difference. Here I will use map function instead of filter function, and something different will be assigned to list 2. So here Lambda function will check this value, and according to the result it will assign all the results as true and false to list 2. So as you can see here, 7 is higher than 5, so it's true. 12 is higher than 5, so it is true, and 4 is not higher than 5, so it is false. 15 is higher than 5, so it is true, and so on. And as you can see, the result of this map function is different. So let's use this map function with also a mathematical calculation. So here again I will use this again, and this time I will assign a different expression here, and this expression will be a math calculation, x multiply 5. So this time the result will be different. As you can see here, the new list is created with each member multiply 5. 7 multiply 5 is 35, 12 multiply 5 is 60, 4 multiply 5 is 20, and so on. And this is how to use map function with Lambda function, and in your examples you can increase your examples with how to use Lambda function with map and filter functions, and with these examples you can learn these functions better. It is over, guys. Lambda function, Python Lambda function has over, and I hope this video is informative for you. And if you like this video, do not forget to like it and subscribe to my channel.